A major political shift has taken place in Bihar as a BJP leader has taken oath as the new chief minister after veteran leader Nitish Kumar stepped down. Samrat Choudhary, who earlier served as Deputy Chief Minister, has now become Bihar's first BJP Chief Minister. He previously served as the BJP state president and led major election campaigns across different states. Choudhary takes over from Nitish Kumar, one of Bihar's most influential leader, who served as Chief Minister for the past 2 decades and frequently switched alliances to remain in power. Bihar, with more than 74 million voters, remains India's poorest state, with millions migrating to other parts of the country in search of jobs. It is also among the few states where the BJP has not formed a government on its own. Nitish Kumar, a leader from the BJP's ally Janata Dal, was elected to the Rajya Sabha last month. The 75-year-old leader resigned on Tuesday amid deteriorating health, paving the way for Choudhary's appointment. Senior BJP leader Ravi Shankar Prasad described the development as a historic moment. Samrat Choudhary, who's 57 years old, comes from a political family. His father, Shakuni Choudhary, served as a legislator for more than 2 decades, while his mother, Parvati Devi, was also a politician. He is also seen as a prominent leader from an OBC community, an important voter base in Bihar. Choudhary's 3-decade political career includes roles in the Rashtriya Janata Dal and Janata Dal United before joining the BJP in 2017. He later became an opponent of Nitish Kumar when alliances shifted in 2022. However, after the BJP and JDU reunited in 2024, he became Deputy Chief Minister and also served as Home Minister. While supporters say his elevation will help the BJP expand its social base, he will undoubtedly face big challenges in the post in a state that has been synonymous with Nitish Kumar for so many years. Despite the challenges, Samrat Choudhary has made history as the BJP's first chief minister in politically crucial Bihar.